Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2014 Explorer Limited in tuxedo black with black leather interior. Seating for 7, 4 doors and a hatch. This has a 3.5 liter V6 all-wheel drive engine. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. And should you require financing, our finance team is friendly and knowledgeable. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors. You also have power folding mirrors and memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your lift gate release, as well as tow haul and park assist, your lighting controls, power pedals, and you have a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, dash controls to the right, as well as sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so I've got my key in my pocket, foot on the brake, and I'm going to push the engine start button. You're going to see 2 menus appear, right and left, and we're going to start with the left. Display mode, we can toggle through, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and they all have sub-menus. On the right hand side, you're seeing entertainment, toggle down to navigation, and then phone, and you notice they change color. In the center is your air vents, as well as a display screen. It's trying to connect to my phone up to the left. On the top right is navigation, bottom right is climate, and you're seeing heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger, and on the left is entertainment. We can touch through there for the options: AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, USB, as well as Bluetooth, SD card, and AV line in. And then you can go home, or you can go into settings and slide through for different options. Below is your hazard lights, and there's your CD player, and you're seeing the dual climate controls. You can touch on the sides as well for the temperature, or you can use the screen. You also have front and rear defrost, and you have your sources tuner located there, as well as the fan in the center. And then down in the cubby, I'm going to show you off to the side. Here's your SD card, USB outlets, auxiliary line in, and you have an automatic select shifter, as well as terrain management system, and you can just dial through on this and it'll appear on your dash. So as I go through, you're seeing mud rut to the left there. Then you can go to the next: snow, grass, gravel, active mode. I slipped through one of them, sand mode, and the other one is the mud rut, and then down to normal. And then in the center of that dial is your hill descent. You've got your cup holders and you've got ambient lighting that'll appear there. Your armrest opens up, and inside there's a 12 volt, as well as more storage and a bin to put things. Off to the side is a locking glove compartment, and up above is an auto dimming rear view mirror. You also have a universal garage door opener. There's your lighting controls and your sunglass holder. And then on a nice day like today, let's slide open that sunroof. And I've just done the screen, so I'm just going to push the button the other way. And now we should have our moonroof open up for us to slide and tilt. There you go. 20-inch wheels, chrome door handle with intelligent access and keyless entry keypad. The back hatch has a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and your backup camera is located just below the Explorer badge. As well, you have dual exhaust. When you want to open up that hatch, you can do so from inside, or you can double click your fob. It powers it open for you, and inside it's nice and roomy. I've got one of the seats down and the other one up, so you still have room for cargo down there. You're also seeing a light and hooks, and then you have the controls to be able to fold the seats right and left, put them back up in the normal position, or stow them. And you've also got some bins there. When you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle to the right, or you can push the power button here and it'll power it down for you. You'll hear it chime to let you know it's going down, and then it'll close securely. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in this row, and easily can bring them down simply by pulling the tab at the top for the headrest, and then pull the lever at the base, and that'll bring the seat right down. You now have access to the 3rd row that has a 50-50 split, and you're seeing 1 down and 1 up. You also have storage bins off to the side and cup holders. And then when you're ready to bring the seat back up, simply push with one hand and flip up the headrest. In the center, there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders, carpeted mats on the floor, and some pockets on the back of the front seat. You also have heated seat controls, 110 and 12 volt outlets, as well as climate control. Up above, there's hooks and handles as well as light and that panoramic view, and in the body, there's a grab handle. Passenger side capless easy fuel gas filler, roof rails, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, HID headlights, halogen fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.